We love Instagram direct messages for customer service and engagement with our audience, but many of us have burned out our thumbs with constant replies to the same question. Fortunately, Instagram has quick replies for direct messages to make your life a little bit easier. Let's set it up. In this video, we'll show you how to set up quick replies and give you some examples of the types of quick replies you want to set up on Instagram. And stick around to the end of this video where I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to take advantage of existing messages you already have to save yourself some more time. To access quick replies, you can easily do this from the settings option in your profile. Log into Instagram, head over to your profile. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see the 3-line button. Tap on that and then choose Settings. From there, choose the Business tab option, and you'll see an option for quick replies. Tap on that. If you've never uploaded a quick reply, it's going to be blank and give you the option to create one. If you already have some saved there, they'll be there, and there's a plus sign in the top right corner that allows you to create more new ones. And just so you know, quick replies are only available to business profiles. Personal profiles and creator profiles do not have this functionality. So to add a new quick reply, just click on that plus button as I mentioned. You'll be taken to a screen to set up the quick reply. Type in the message that you want it to say. So it could be something like, our normal business hours are Monday to Friday from 9 to 6. Then below that is the shortcut option. In the shortcut is the single word you want to apply to that when you use that in the quick reply will populate the actual message. So keep it short and sweet and relevant to what you want to use. Once you have some quick replies in there, if you decide you want to go back and edit or delete at any time, super easy. From that screen, just tap on the message that you want to edit. It's going to pull you back into that screen where you see your message. You can make any edits or changes right there and then save it. Or if you want to, you can hit delete quick reply and remove it from the list altogether. So now that you've set up your quick replies, how do you use them? Let's walk through that right now. The quick reply feature is only available in direct messages. You can't use this in replying to comments on your posts or in other capacities like that. To use the direct message quick reply, go ahead and open up whatever message you have that has come in where someone has asked you a question that would typically result in that response. Within that message, when you start typing in the message, just put the single word that you've created as the shortcut. In this case, I'm going to use the word services that I've set up as a quick reply. You will actually see a little comment bubble with 3 dots pop up within the message box. Tap on that little 3-dot icon, and that automatically dumps your pre-saved message right into the DM. At this point, it's fully customizable. You can actually personalize it, change a little bit of information, or just go ahead and click send and your message is on its way. So what are the types of things you should set up as a quick reply? Well, it's going to depend on your business, but some really common ones are things like maybe your hours of operation, commonly asked questions, directions, the rates that you offer for different services, how to contact you, or maybe even a link to a free resource. One of the reasons I love quick replies is that if you have an agency managing your content, or if you are the agency, quick replies make it easy to have a clear, concise answer that is the same across the board so there's no confusion for the message recipient on the other end. Quick replies are also great for things like the medical or legal fields, or if you work in a very technical environment where when people are asking questions, you want to have a very precise answer that doesn't leave any room for confusion or having to wait for the expert to come in and reply. This makes it quick and easy and consistent across the board. And now for the bonus. Chances are you've probably already answered all of these questions that you want to set up as quick replies in multiple previous direct messages. Here's a quick and easy way to take advantage of those previous messages to create your quick replies going forward. To set up a quick reply from an existing message, go into that direct message thread and tap and hold on the message that you have previously sent as a reply. When you do that, you get a little pop-up screen that says save quick reply, and it automatically populates that message into a new quick reply. You can do a quick edit or change any features in there, and then go ahead and assign a new keyword for the shortcut, save it, and you're done. Check out this video from Shailene Johnson with tips on how to create more engaging content. We'll see you over there.